Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can show or hide your phone number when making a call on the iPhone 15 series. So first, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we're going to scroll down and tap on Phone. Next, scroll down to the calls section and tap on Show My Caller ID. Tap on that. Then, to hide your number, tap on this toggle button and make sure it is switched off. Now this is the position when it is turned off. To show your phone number, just tap on the toggle button and make sure the switch is green. That means your phone number will be displayed on the other person's device. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.